हाय एवरीवन, तुलसी की चिट चैट में आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. दिस व्लॉग इज वेरी मच अबाउट द काइंड ऑफ lethargicness I had over a period of time, and then now I'm starting again. It's been I think 10 to 12 days कि मैंने properly exercises नहीं किए हैं. पहले मेरे periods आ गए and then I had to go to a wedding to Indore. तो बहुत कुछ हो गया. I was trying to follow my diet as much as I can. But I was not able to give time to my exercise, which is very bad because I should actually do that. अभी क्या हो गया ना कि इतना गैप आने के बाद स्टार्ट करना दोबारा से it is bit difficult. Trying to start it since last week.
कभी हो रहा है, कभी नहीं हो रहा है, कभी हो रहा है, कभी नहीं हो रहा है में गया है.
तो वो ढंग से एक्सरसाइज का जो एक फ्लो होता है वो नहीं हो पाया. एक्सरसाइज दैट मीन्स I'm talking about strength training, weight training. Diet was happening, but the fitness, but the exercises were not. तो अभी क्या हो गया है कि सुबह उठने का मोटिवेशन नहीं मिल रहा है मुझे. एक तो इतनी सर्दी हो रही है, ठीक है, ऊपर से सुबह उठने के लिए पहले क्या होता था कि मुझे पढ़ाई करनी होती थी बिकॉज एग्जाम सर पे थे. पढ़ाई करने के लिए मैं उठ जाती थी. अबाउट मेरी क्लासेस होती थी जुम्बा की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, जो कि मैंने अभी बंद कर रखी है. तो पहले देयर वर सो मेनी रीजंस टू वेक अप अर्ली एंड दैट गेव मी मोटिवेशन टू डू माई वर्कआउट ऑन टाइम.
But that is not happening right now because exams are over, Viva is over, and my morning batch is on a pause.
So there is no motivation left to wake up early and do the workout also. ये प्रॉब्लम चल रही है 10 से 12 दिनों से. 10 से 12 दिन हो चुके हैं इस प्रॉब्लम को and I'm still not, you know, giving my best potential to all these things. बताओ, it is 2:45 p.m. and it's Tuesday afternoon and I somehow asked my trainer that, you know, what should I do, and you tell me बहुत डिमोटिवेशन हो रहा है. सो ही सेड कि लिसन, आई वांट अ वीडियो फ्रॉम यू फॉर द स्ट्रेचिंग पार्ट. सो आई एम डूइंग स्ट्रेचिंग टुडे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वाज सपोज्ड टू डू स्ट्रेचिंग ऑन संडे बट आई स्किप्ड इट. देन मंडे आया.
मंडे को नहीं हुआ, ट्यूसडे. आई थॉट ट्यूसडे को मैं संडे का स्ट्रेचिंग, मंडे का वर्कआउट, ट्यूसडे का वर्कआउट, जो भी तीनों दिन का लाइन है वो तीन एक साथ ट्यूसडे को करूंगी.
But Ansh told me कि नहीं, you are not supposed to do that. You are supposed to do only stretching today, and I am recording this video so that I can impress my trainer. If you are listening, my trainer, I can impress my trainer that listen, I did it because you told me to make a video, so I'm making a proper video and not lying anything about it. These exercises I have to do, all these stretching exercises I have to do. This is a playlist curated for me. Still I'm not doing it. Now we'll do the side stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we are going to do the shoulder roll. Alright, the next one is cross arm stretch. We'll stretch it properly. Now this one is quite interesting. जैसे चेयर पे बैठ के chest opener stretch. This open your chest. So you need to make sure that you are breathing in, breathing out. we'll do the child pose like this, and you have to go down. You have to keep your leg like this and stretch for around 10 seconds at least. At 10 seconds, do the stretch. काफ पे बहुत अच्छा असर आएगा. Count till 10. Breathe in, breathe out. So the next one is
A stretch that is known as quadricep.
it is known as standing quadricep stretch. Don't make fun of me, okay? I'm still learning. Push up. So now this is one of my favorite stretches. इसको hip flexor stretch बोलते हैं. You have to stretch your complete hips forward. Basically, you have to push your hips forward like this. So the next one is glute four figure stretch. What she's doing is putting her leg like this, the other leg like this. यहाँ पे knee के ऊपर पीछे उसका हाथ है, and she's giving pressure to herself. So आप अपना हाथ ऐसे रख के you have to push yourself forward. The next one is one of the most favorite, butterfly. Basically, this stretch is known as deep squat hold, but in our language, we used to call it malasan. Forward fold yoga pose. You have to come and push me. ये तो मुझसे होता ही नहीं है, for some reason नहीं हो पाता है, but I'll try. बस इतना ही पुश कर सकता है, बट मेरे को दर्द हो रहा है. Now the next one is side bend stretch. 39 seated बोला है इसने, and she is doing this जो हमारा normally होता है, and she is doing what? Stretch. So we'll do the stretch like this. One thing I have understood in all this कि अगर आप चाहो तो अपनी फिटनेस के लिए आप टाइम निकाल सकते हो. वो आलस ही होता है जो आपको पुश करता है ना निकालने के लिए. I believe fitness nowadays is like brushing your teeth. You have to do it. You do not have a choice and you should not have a choice. Now, this is again one of my very favorite stretches of all time, Cobra stretch. Okay, happy baby pose करेंगे. Hold your, and I used to do this. अब वीडियो में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है तो we'll hold. So the last two are very exciting. Knees to chest pose, which is also known as Apanasana. The last one, last one is, the name of the pose is corpse pose. Can you guess it? It's CORPSE, corpse pose. That means Shavasana. That's the most favorite one. First of all, knee to chest. Well, thank you so much for watching the entire video. It was super fun doing stretching with all of you. One thing as a reminder, please give yourself some time. You have a lot of things to do in your daily lifestyle, but I think it's the best time to start taking fitness as a part of your lifestyle, and it's very necessary. The first step is to take out some time for yourself. Half an hour walk से start करो. It can be an evening walk or a morning walk or a night walk even. कुछ भी एक time निकाल के just walk. अपने स्टेप्स कंप्लीट करो. 5000 स्टेप्स, 7000 स्टेप्स, 10,000 स्टेप्स. वॉक जब आपकी अचीव होने लगे, देन यू स्टार्ट फोकसिंग ऑन योर स्ट्रेचिंग. थोड़ा स्ट्रेच करना स्टार्ट करो. आई नो इंटेंस वर्कआउट करना कैन बी डिफिकल्ट, बट थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेचिंग स्टार्ट कर सकते हो फॉर अ चेंज. थर्ड, you can always go to the Zumba classes. You can always go for yoga sessions. All those group sessions, group exercises are very good. Why? Because you tend to meet so many new people and you get motivated with other people also. So that is also one of the greatest thing you can do, so that you can develop some interest for your fitness. Now, if you have achieved all this, I would suggest you to go gym and do some strength training. If your Zumba class or your yoga sessions are providing you that, continue doing that, because we do that in our classes. We do functional training in our Zumba batches. If your Zumba batch is not providing you that, please go to gym and start doing some strength training. Strength training, weightlifting have done wonders for me within a month. I literally put aside everything and just मेरा distraction avoid करके I came here and I thought let's make a video out of it. That is it, I think, and enjoy your week and do your exercises. Focus on your health, focus on your children's health, focus on your husband or your wife or your parents' health, and it's the most important thing right now. खुश रहो.